How do I know if it's okay? We about to go shooting. Very excited because you know.
Jogu, how you doing, Jogu?
Bro,
You tired? I got something that can wake you up.
I'm good.
What do you mean you good? Nah, go do more. Hey, take your time. This side is Prince. All this jibber jabber is Bashir. Now we about to see me. Look at this. Y'all can't fuck with me. Y'all, hey, come here. Come here. I told you he messed me up.
Right there.
Mine is on the red. Where is it on the red? Look at mine, bro. I told you he messed me up.
Miss who up?
Y'all can't play with me.
When I hit you, that you did that, bro.
The other guy? Y'all can't mess with me. Y'all can't mess with me.
NANI?お前はもう死んでいる。
Yes. I have PTSD.
Man, you know me and my boys, fucking Mookie. I feel bad for Mookie. Hey, Mookie! Mookie. Oh shit, it's on me.
But a stack of receipts I can trace the ups and downs of your lives. And it does not look good. It does not look good.
Another day, another dollar. I might holler at your mama. Anyways, today we about to go help my boy out.
Yo, like no gold in Edinburgh house and a council flat, just me and my mom.
Bro, I had to just park real quick because this was the funniest shit. So, he's saying the TikTok, right? I don't know, this just hit home.
School. I'm not black, I'm mixed. I don't act black, I don't talk black. I don't date ugly black guys. I'm not black, I'm mixed. Get that through your skull.
Right. Look what he said, type of girl Jogu would date. And look what Jogu said. I ain't gonna lie, Jogu, I ain't gonna lie. Now you wrong for that. He said, it's always the niggas that have never even dated a girl that talk the most. Please lick every crack and crevices of my. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Don't say nothing federal, man. How's your day going, man?
Them dealers did me dirty.
Did him dirty, man. This nigga, bro. We gonna learn today.
I took that vial.
Look at my boy Ceci. Look at Ceci, bro.
I'm just watching your video right now. Too.
You are? What's up, my bro?
So why you ambushing me?
Now I was just passing. I was like, damn, my boy Ceci, how you been, man?
I'm good.
You good?
I don't appreciate you just ambushing me like that, but it's alright.
We found a British boy, bro. What you have to say to YouTube, bro?
Hello, British wave.
Shit. Why shit? Like something. Why shit?
Today, it's a trade day, man. Everybody out here trading their cars. This nigga traded with Prince. Let's see if he can drive his sexy ass car. Yo, how you like the car, man?
What's up with it?
How you like the car, man?
Hey, the car is cool, man. It's cool as fuck.
Can you see anything?
Interior, I like the. Nah, it's black as hell. Can't see
You couldn't say shit, huh?
It ain't my car though. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, your shit was a mess.
Yeah, it ain't my car, bro. Like this shit nice. I give it a solid 8.5.
8.5, all this.
8.5.
With interior, he decorated that shit nice as hell.
It ain't no 10 out of 10 like mine is though. You know, I'm just saying.
What's that? This is Eli, big boy Eli right here.
Like that, nigga.
Puppy Chulo.
Nah, his shit 2017. He need to fix that.
Damn, relax, bro.
Bro, he need help, bro. Go get your food, man.
Hey, man.
Man, nigga only got 2 hands, bro.
Crib nigga coming, bro. Oh, shit, doo-doo up in here. I'm vlogging, bro.
Fuck your vlog.
This is daughter's new car, you know. She's sexy as hell. 2020 Honda Accord. Woo, that's nice right there, bro.
Y'all probably cannot see me. Hey Siri, what's my recent notification? Damn.
Big boy Eli. fuck you doing? That's how you.
You know, we outside right here, man. We about to go. We about to go to Cedar Point.
Cedar Point. Hey, Coons, send us out to the cam.
Yeah, monkey, come on.
You got built up anger. What you think about that, Dora? He calls you monkey, bro.
He got built up anger, bro.
From what?
From me calling him a gorilla all the time.
He be what?
He be jumping fences, bro. So
he's
I've been calling him a gorilla all the time. So he finally got a chance to say his piece.
So he's a puss.
Yeah, bro.
He's a
puss ass nigga. Yeah, R. Kelly. Tell him to take
He's
his
an R.
do-rag
Kelly.
off. And what about it? I took it off.
Oh. Hey, bro, do this 30, bro. Do this 30, bro.
My pet vaccinated? Do I have to?
Huh?
Yo, do I have to?
Yeah, so we got some breakfast.
No, I don't like that. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, how do niggas like that shit? Like, look at your map. Zoom out. You'll see how close we are to like.
Say please, daddy.
Please, daddy.
Say please, daddy.
Man, so we just did some crazy shit. We did that shit, dog. And I blacked the fuck out. I was gone. I'm talking about I'm black, dog. Black. Man. That shit was crazy. So it's not free, Jogo?
My thing is, I didn't care. I wasn't trying to get one anyway.
He's coping right now.
He's coping. He's coping right now. Stop it, bro. It's okay.
Bro, I'm getting cold. What you doing?
What the fuck?
Give him some gum.
Oh, you want gum?
Yeah.
What happened to what he said?
It's free.
No, he said being man or some shit.
Oh,
Oh yeah, you said be. Alright, Joe, come here.
being mad, bro. Get some
Being
good
man,
gum.
being man, get some good gun, nigga. He said monkey. Look at him. Look. They in the front two row. Damn, why the flash came on?
I think you started doing dips and shit. Some like bodybuilding.
So this is the end of the video.
What?
It's your boy E, Big Boy E, Puppy Chulo E. We out.
Oh, you
Go
saw
home.
everybody.
Send my nigga on a mission. OB is a green light. You know who we going hit. Hit my man. You getting shot. You saying this shit is whack.